Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ajuke. Thank you for tuning in today's video. In today's video, we're gonna be making nice, delicious, tasty couscous meal. Yeah, this couscous is actually one of my easiest and ready to go meal anytime I need something quick to make. It's super delicious, tasty, and if you're looking for something to substitute your rice with, that's low in carbs and high in vitamins, this couscous is actually one meal that you can always go to, and I bet you won't regret it. So let's get into business. Firstly, you have to get your couscous. Just soak it into water. Some people tend to cook it, but if you cook it for too long, it will become too mushy. So it's better to just soak it in some hot water with oil, a little bit of oil to avoid them from sticking together. Then you set it aside and go about in frying your protein. I'm using prawns. You can use any protein of your choice. It's absolutely fine. Just fry it and add the vegetables of your choice is fine as well. I use some pepper just to give it a bit of heat and some other vegetable mixture, and I'm sure you're gonna like it if you try it. And one more thing that I want you guys to take note of is I use chicken seasoning cube, any seasoning cube of your choice, but I added turmeric. It's actually optional, just to enhance the color. I like to add turmeric to it to give it the stew color that it gives to beautify the meal into this couscous. You see what I'm talking about at the end of this video. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time of tuning into our channel, and I'm sure you're gonna like it in here. Lovely recipe, healthy choices. See you in my next video. Bye.